Hello and welcome, guys. Hope you are doing great. So, in the block development series, today you will learn about settings in code, like allow block to add on any page, allow block to add on dashboard only, allow block to add on course page only, allow block to add only once, allow block to add many times on the same page, and we will also discuss some other factors. So, let's see. So here in the last video we have developed this block. If you not if you have not watched my previous video, I would suggest you please go and watch how to create block. So let's start with the first topic, block or allow block to add on any page. So right now this one is a setting, that setting function that is called applicable format. So here you can see all equal to true. That means you can add this one on any page. Okay, you can add here on dashboard, that is already added, and you can also add on any course page. Okay, you can see here that is already added here. List all courses. Okay, you can see here. If you want to restrict only, and after edit you can see you can delete list. Okay, if you change this to allow only on my means dashboard page, then after refresh you will not be able to do anything on course page. Okay, so you can see here that setting has of delete has been removed because this has been locked. If you write here the course only, then will be display again. Okay, why? Because this one is the course page. That means you allow on course page. My means you allow on dashboard page. All means allow anywhere. So how you can check this permission? You can check here from admin block instance. So these are the page type pattern. You can write admin also. If you write admin here, everywhere in admin it will be applicable. Everyone in admin. Okay. But in learner there will not be any option. Okay. So you have learned how to use applicable format. Now let's check how to add multiple instance. That means on the same page if you want to add many times. Let's search this for Google. So there is a function that is called allow multiple blocks. So here change this to all. That is true. So by default it remains one. You cannot add more than one. But now I have added. Again I can see list all courses I can add. Okay. You can see here on bottom. Okay. So two times you can see. You can add as many time as you want. Okay. List all. If you want one more time you can add. Same here, you can also add here many times. But if you allow only once, you have to return false. Okay, then you need to delete one. If already added, nothing will be apply on that. But here you cannot see list all. Nothing is coming to add. So hope you understand. Thank you for watching.